Our first step is to make our stapler start to move. Make sure you have selected the stapler sprite at the bottom, and then we are going to start adding our code. Our first codes are found in the event dot. Select the when green flag clicked event and drag it into the middle of your sprite screen. We are then going to start adding some of our additional code. Head down to the control section and find a forever loop. This should look familiar from our coding in robotics. Inside that forever loop, we need to add some motion. Head up to the blue motion dot and find the block that says glide to random position. Put that inside the forever loop and we are done with the first part of our stapler. When you press the green flag, now you should see it start to glide around screen. Now that our stapler has motion, we need to start working on Dwight's head's code. Select the sprite at the bottom for Dwight's head. This should make all your stapler code disappear. If you click on your stapler icon again, it will come back. We are now going to add an event called when key pressed. This is a very important and versatile key. It says space, but it can be programmed to be used with any key. You're going to need 4 of these for your code minimum. So I am going to right click and duplicate each one. And I am going to make sure I put them neatly in line so my code is neat, clean, easy to read, and easy to fix later. Once these 4 have been added, you need to change the spacebar to represent each of your directional keys. These can be the up, down, left, and right arrow, WASD keys, or any combination of keys that you so choose. We are now going to use the blue motion blocks to add specific motions to each of these key bindings. Depending on the key bindings, depends on what each of these blocks say. For our first block, we are going to attach to the up arrow, or whatever would make your object go up, the blue block that says change Y by 10. To the down arrow, we are going to use that same block, but instead of going up by 10, we are going to change Y by -10. For our left and right movement, we are going to use the blue block that says move number of steps. You could also use the change X by, but I like the steps blocks better. We are going to move 10 steps forward for the right arrow and -10 steps for the left arrow. Your code should look like this to make your objects move. Now, when we make it hit the green flag, we should see our stapler moving, and our keys should make Dwight move around screen.